bird in the orb.
Bird in the laundromat of the orphanage.
Go in there.
I need some kind of weapon, just in case this thing comes at me. Something's getting.
Yo.
Shit's fucking.
Chill, don't you want to kill the thing?
I'm just gonna start throwing doves.
Just catch the bird.
Yo, Steve, please.
Georgia, move.
Why?
I'll show you the video later.
You're gonna close.
the door.
What's up there, bitch? What's up
door.
there? What's up there? Where is it? I don't know.
I scared you.
Where is it?
Where's the bird at?
Just went in the fucking wall.
It just went up the ceiling.
What? It just went in the wall. They just opened the window and it just went in there.
What the?
Shh.
It's in the floor.
What you open the window for?
For the bird to go out.
You know I could die in there.
Move.
Watch out!
You scared me.
What kind of bird was it?
It was a black.
A little like black, regular bird.
Yeah, shit's gonna die.
Nah, it's gonna see the light. It's gonna find its way.
Come on. Put some light over there.
I'm not going near that bird. That the light, it doesn't have flash.
Watch out. I'll use my phone. My phone has it. Bill, you want to use my phone quick? On the counter? On the TV? If you go there, it's not gonna come.
Yo, it's gonna fuck with this.
Should I cut the wall out and save it?
Yeah.
I don't know.
Well, you don't want a dead bird in your thing and it starts stinking out. You get diseases and shit.
Where is it?
It's on the fucking wall.
That's crazy, though.
It's a fucking bird.
So wait.
No,
Jesus.
answer the phone.
Wait, what are we gonna do now?
My dad's gonna cut the wall open.
Yeah, right.
What are you gonna do then? Nothing?
I knew I heard the clap. I'm like, yo, there's definitely a bird.
I thought it was
like,
just-
nah.
I thought it was
AT&T
outside.
security.